हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम्स टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल शर्मा अकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आपको ला रहे हैं इंडियन आर्मी के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो चलो देखते हैं। द ग्रीन कलर ऑफ द प्लांट इज ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ आंसर क्लोरोफिल। पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल इज आंसर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। प्लांट एंड एनिमल सेल differ in which of the following structure? Answer cell wall. Which of the following animals is unicellular? Answer amoeba. The biggest cell is? Answer ostrich egg. The mineral constituent of cell wall is? Answer calcium. RBC stands for? Answer red blood corpuscles. How many bones are there in human body? Answer 206. Which of the following is not an endocrine gland? Answer pancreas. Cerebellum controls. Answer balancing of body. Next question is the outermost layer of the skin is called? Answer epidermis. The basic protein associated with DNA is? Answer histone. How many bones are there in the face? Answer 14. The branch of the science dealing with the study of human skin. Answer dermatology. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Answer femur. The human being in human being fertilization take place in? Answer fallopian tube. Next question is blood is purified in? Answer kidneys. Master endocrine gland is? Answer pituitary. Functional unit of kidney is called? Answer nephron. Universal recipient blood group is? Answer AB. Next question is hardest plant in the human body is? Answer enamel. Which mineral is found in hemoglobin? Answer iron. DNA is present within the? Answer nucleus. Genes are located on? Answer chromosomes. Which is the largest gland in human body? Answer liver. Where does the red blood corpuscles are formed in our body? Answer bone marrow. What is the body temperature of a healthy person? Answer 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. The blood pressure in healthy human being is 120 per 80 mm. Hormones are useful for metabolic functions. Name the vitamin which is responsible for blood clotting. Answer vitamin K. In which organ bile juice is stored? Answer gallbladder. The excretory organ in human body is? Answer kidney. The person of which blood group is called universal donor? Answer O. Which gland is called master gland? Answer pituitary. Number of chromosome in man is? Answer 46. The teeth made of? Answer both calcium and phosphate. Blood pressure is related to? Answer heart. Hemoglobin is found in? Answer blood. Red corpuscles are found in? Answer both. The main constituent of human skeleton is? Answer calcium. Next question is sex chromosome in human male are named XY. Which of the following is not organ of excretion? Answer small intestine. The cardiac muscles are found only in? Answer heart. Longest bone in human skeleton is? Answer femur. The normal hemoglobin level in the blood in man is? Answer 15 gram per 100 ml of blood. The blood is purified in the organ? Answer kidney. Blood is pumped by? Answer heart. People having blood group O have? Answer no antigen. Hair, fingernail and hooves are all made of? Answer proteins. What is the quantity of blood in a normal human being? 5 to 6 liters. Main function of large intestine is answer absorption of water. Pulse reading is done by doctors to find out answer heartbeat. Biological death of a patient means death of tissue of the answer brain. Pick out the wrong pair. Kidney hormones. Next question is the glands which secrete oil for lubricating the hair is sebaceous gland. The oxygenated blood is poured into which part of the heart? Answer left auricle. A heart rate requires approximately answer 0.8 second. The human brain weighs approximately answer 1400 gram. Protein is digested in human body is answer small intestine. Next question is which part of the heart receives pure blood from the lungs? Answer left auricle. The rate of speed of nerve in man is about 120 meter per second. Reproduction is of answer two types. Which of the following is an egg-laying mammal? Answer none of these. A vat is related to which of the following? Answer mammal. Which of the following vitamin is soluble in fat? Answer vitamin D. The vast source of protein out of the following is answer veins. Which is the sweetest sugar? Answer fructose. Next question is which among the following is richest in protein? Answer pulses. Iodine test is used to detect answer starch. Iodized salt is useful for man because controls the thyroid gland. Protein is digested in human body is answer small intestine. Balanced diet may be defined as the diet which contains all the food substance in correct proportion. Which of the following glands of the body acts both exocrine glands and endocrine gland? Answer pancreas. Number of only permanent teeth in man are answer 6. Which of the following is a cold-blooded animal? Answer lizard. The edible part of banana is called endocarp. Which of the following sets of animal belongs to cold-blooded animal? Answer fish, frog and earthworm. Next question is the xylem in plant is responsible for transport of water. Science dealing with plant life is answer botany. A fish uses it for respiration. Answer gills. Gobar gas mainly contains answer methane and butane. Animal kingdom is divided into how many subkingdom? Answer 2. How do the amphibious animal respire? Answer all the A to C. Heart of a frog has how many chambers? Answer 3. A food chain starts with which of the following? Answer photosynthesis. Animal or plant living it or on another and getting nourishment from it is called answer parasite. Which of the following is product of plants? Answer quinine. Due to which of the following tea is a good stimulant? Answer caffeine. Which is the harmful substance present in tobacco? Answer nicotine. Where does the camel store extra water in his body? Answer rumen. Whale is a mammal. Botanical name of lady's finger is Hibiscus esculents. We get vitamin D from lemon and orange. Vitamin C. Vitamin D is not found in fruit and vegetables. Answer vitamin D. Leprosy is caused by answer bacteria. Which gas leaves the trees at night? Answer carbon dioxide. Which is a true fish? Answer dogfish. Next question is Most of the plant obtain nitrogen from the soil in the form of answer nitrates. The oxygen liberated during photosynthesis is derived from answer water. Ginger is a stem and not a root because it has nodes and internodes. Name of plant parasite Cascata. Who invented polio vaccine? Answer Dr. Salk. Which of the following diseases is not curable? Answer AIDS. Which one of the following pair of diseases and cause of deficiency wrong? Plagra vitamin C. In adult human, a deficiency of vitamin D leads to loss of calcium and phosphorus from bones with the symptoms of diseases called answer osteomalacia. Rickets is a disease in which organ of the body that is affected is answer bones of legs. The deficiency of which one of the following vitamin led to bleeding of gums and loosening of teeth? Answer vitamin C. Lack of nicotinic acid causes answer pellagra. Deficiency of vitamin A causes answer nitalopia. AIDS disease is not transmitted by answer handshake. Leprosy is one of the following answer bacterial disease. Malaria is caused by answer protozoa. Next question is which of the following pair is incorrect? पोलियो माइल्डनेस मंकी। तो मित्रों ये थे हमारे जो कि इंडियन आर्मी, इंडियन एयरफोर्स और अन्य एग्ज़ाम में भी पूछे जाते हैं ये क्वेश्चन। तो आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो और कोई क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। और हमारे वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।